Hey guys, just to jump straight into the video, I am priming my eyelids with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And then after that, I will be buffing it out with my BH Cosmetics 128 brush. To start with my eyeshadow, I'm taking my Sigma E40 brush and I'm taking the shade Besties and I'm putting that in my crease, above my crease, and a little under my crease. And I'm just deepening out that color. Now taking my ABH brush, I am now using the shade Makeover and I'm just adding that into my crease to deepen it up. I noticed that this brush wasn't really doing me any justice, so I then ended up taking my Real Techniques precision brush and I started patting that on, and it worked a little better to get more pigment. Now I'm just cutting my crease with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. It looks like I'm doing this pretty fast, but that's just because I have it sped up. But when I tell y'all it took me at least 10 minutes to do one eye, it took 10 minutes to do one eye, y'all. I am now going in with the shade Now Trending, and I ended up putting that all over my lid, but then I decided that I wanted to go in with Insta Famous and put that towards the end of my cut crease, more towards like the purpley pinky shadows. I'm now taking Besties and Makeover again, and I put that on the outer sides of my eyelid just so that it can blend better. And now I am taking the shade Side Hustle and I'm just putting that on my lash line. I'm now taking my Mario Bedesc spray and spraying my face. I'm using my Honest Beauty primer to prime my face today. For foundation today, I decided to use my Nars foundation in the shade Caracas, and I am buffing that out with my BS Small Cosmetics Flathead Buffer Brush. For concealer, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I did also mix that up with a little bit of Warm Honey as well. And then for my contour, I decided to use Beautiful Bronze, and those are all by LA Girl Pro Concealers. Those are my favorite concealers, like right now, since forever. So yeah. So to blend my contour out, I'm using my Sigma F40 large angled contour brush, and then to blend out my concealer, I decided to use my BH Cosmetics 128 brush, again, the same one that I used on my eyelids. For baking powder today, I decided to use the Holy Grail Air Spun. I really love that setting powder, and I decided to use that on my Multitask Cheek Brush by Real Techniques. Going back in with my Sigma F40 brush, I'm using the Black Radiance complexion palette, and I'm using the Sculpt shade just to bronze up my face a little bit more. Now to dust off the baking powder, I'm using my e.l.f. complexion brush just to sweep it away. I do kind of buff it in, but I mainly just sweep it away. Now I'm lining my lash line with a white eyeliner, and then now I'm actually taking eyeshadow, surprisingly, to line my lips because I didn't have a lip pencil that was sharpened and I don't have a sharpener. Now taking an ABH lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood, I'm using that and I'm patting that onto my lips. I then go in with a regular nude gloss. You can use any nude gloss. This one specifically didn't have a name. Now to highlight my brow bone, I ended up jumping in the Masquerade Mini Palette by Juvias Place, and I used the shade Giza. And I also highlighted with that shade, and for blush, I just used any regular random blush that I had. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys try the look. If you do try to look, please be sure to tag me in any of your looks that you recreate, and I will be sure to repost them on any of my social medias. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and I will see you ladies in my next video.